Female narrator. Welcome back to Mom's Medical. Today we're diving into severe heel cracks, skin peeling, and foot fungus. But before we get into it, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon for instant updates. Alright, let's jump in. Severe heel cracks, skin peeling, and foot fungus are common foot issues that can cause serious discomfort and even infections if left untreated. While they might seem like separate problems, they're often connected and can get worse without proper care. Male speaker 1. First up, severe heel cracks. These happen when the skin on your heels becomes dry, thick, and splits open. Causes include dry skin, prolonged standing, obesity, poor footwear, and medical conditions like diabetes and psoriasis. Next, skin peeling on feet. This can be due to fungal infections like athlete's foot, allergic reactions, excessive sweating, or vitamin deficiencies. And finally, foot fungus or athlete's foot is a contagious infection caused by dermatophytes. It thrives in warm, moist environments like locker rooms and public showers, poor foot hygiene, weakened immune systems, and sharing footwear. Female narrator. Now let's talk remedies. For severe heel cracks, moisturize daily with a thick urea-based cream. Soak and exfoliate your feet. Wear socks overnight after moisturizing. Use heel balms and avoid open-backed shoes. For skin peeling, use antifungal creams if a fungal infection is suspected. Hydrate the skin with foot creams, avoid harsh soaps, and keep your feet dry. For foot fungus, use antifungal medications. Soak your feet in warm water with apple cider vinegar or tea tree oil. Change socks frequently, disinfect shoes, and avoid walking barefoot in public areas. Male speaker 1. Prevention is key. Maintain proper foot hygiene, wear breathable shoes, use foot powder, trim your nails properly, and stay hydrated. By addressing these issues early and sticking to a consistent foot care routine, you can prevent heel cracks, peeling skin, and fungal infections from worsening. Female narrator. Thanks for watching Mom's Medical. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.